Welcome back to Adams Automotive. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put these newer style taillights on your old 7.3 or 6.0. The only thing you really have to change is reverse light here. On the old style ones, you know, it's down here. And these ones flare out a little bit. Other than that, they do the same thing. So let's begin. We got to take out that top bolt right there and this bottom bolt right here. Alright, now we got our two bolts out. We should be able to just pull like that. And it has these little tabs that click in to hold it in place. All right, now as you can see, I broke the clip on that plug, so we got a zip tie going around it to hold it in. But your brake light, well, you can take it right out of your old tail light and it should plug in to the new one. But your reverse light's where we have to change things. Right here you can see I got some electrical tape and I'll show you why. All right, so this is the plug that will be on your truck. This is a 2000 F350. This is the plug that was going to my reverse light. As you can see, I cut the wires right there. And I went to O'Reilly's and got the standard. Right here's the part number for the new pigtail here. Comes with the wires into that plug. So I think you need a new light. I couldn't remember, but I think we got a new light for that fits in the housing, because the old one won't. So all you have to do is cut the old plug off and then wire the new pigtail with a longer wire. I don't remember if the ends are the same or not, but all I know is it has a longer wire and that's what you need. So you splice those in and then plug it in pretty much just like how it was, and you push it, make sure your wires are all lined up on your top and bottom pins, and then you push it back in. This is what it should look like when you're done. It doesn't take very long. You just put them 2 screws back in, change the pigtail, and then you're good. They got some water in them. I'm guessing the seals just broke. I don't know. I didn't buy them for all that much money. But I like them. I think they look pretty good. Back up a little bit, give you a better view. But while we're here, I'll show you this third brake light and how to do that. It's just I think it's like 20 bucks off Amazon, but it's LED, got a bright tail light and a bright cargo light. So when you open the door, it definitely lights up the bed. Makes it a lot easier, especially 7.3, you gotta get that extension cord out. But it's two, I don't remember, I think they're Phillips head, and you pop that off, the whole light just pops right out. And then there's a rubber seal, you can take that out because the new one comes with one. And there's one plug, so you just unplug it, then plug this new one in, put the rubber seal on there, and then just tighten it up, and it doesn't leak. It looks great. It works pretty good too. So you can spend 20 bucks on replacement light bulbs for your old one, or you can buy an LED one for 20 bucks, and it looks pretty good and it works just as well. I'll probably wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna have a video coming out about my sound system coming out here pretty soon, probably the next day or two. But it's just a quick little video showing you guys, upgrade the look of the back of your truck. Thinking about buying an elbow tip pretty soon. I don't know, what do you guys think? Right now I'm running I believe this is an 8-inch tip. Thinking about getting a polished elbow, probably a 5-inch. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day.